I'm leaving Harts Pass campground about 5 a.m. now. My plan is to run up to the Pasayten Wilderness border, turn around, come back, that'll be about 10 miles, resupply at my friend's van, and then continue 30 miles south down to Rainy Pass where my friend has parked my car. Today, he's gonna continue his hike. Hopefully we'll meet on the trail. Good old 40-mile mountain run. Here we go, let's do it. About 5 miles now, only 35 miles to go. How's it going so far? Yeah, I know. I haven't hit the 20 mark yet. I kind of figured I'd hit it. That was really good. Best crew a guy could have.
The only crew you got.
I guess that's what makes it the best.
There you go.
Thanks so much. So Doug, were you worried about me?
No, I kind of realized you'd be back after dark. So if it was midnight, then I think I would have been.
I would have been worried about me too.
Yeah.
But you know I'm a professional.
Says Miguel.
The sunshine.